How to order coffee for the first time at a new restaurant. Simple English Guide. Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about something super simple but really useful. How to order a coffee when you're visiting a restaurant for the first time. If you've ever felt a bit nervous or unsure about what to order, don't worry. We'll guide you through it, step by step. Let's get started. When you first enter the restaurant, take a moment to look around. You might see a menu on the wall, on the counter, or even a printed one. The first step is to approach the counter confidently. The person smiles and greets the barista. Person: Hi there. It's my first time here, and I'd like to order a coffee. Being polite and friendly goes a long way. Let the staff know it's your first time. They're usually happy to help you out. Now, let's talk about the different types of coffee you might see on the menu. Here are some common options. 1 espresso. A strong, small shot of coffee. It's intense and perfect if you need a quick boost. 2 Americano. An espresso with hot water. It's like regular black coffee, but smoother. 3 cappuccino. Espresso with steamed milk and a thick layer of foam on top. It's creamy and delicious. 4 latte. Similar to a cappuccino, but with more milk and less foam. It's milder and a bit sweeter. 5 mocha. A latte with chocolate syrup added. Perfect if you love a chocolatey flavor in your coffee. Person: Can you tell me which coffee is the most popular among young people? Barista: Sure. A lot of young people love the iced latte. It's refreshing and not too strong. It's perfect for a warm day. Person: That sounds great. I'll have an iced latte, please. Don't be afraid to ask for recommendations. The staff knows what's popular, and they can suggest something you might like. After you've made your choice, simply place your order. You can say something like, "I'd like an iced latte, please." The barista hands over the coffee with a smile. Person: Thank you. And that's it. You've successfully ordered your coffee. Now, find a cozy spot, relax, and enjoy your drink. We hope this guide helped you feel more confident about ordering coffee at a restaurant. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tips. See you next time.